Hey guys, come with me as I take my natural hair from straight to curly. It's the beginning of the week, so I still have to do my workouts for the week, and that's why I'm not going to go ahead and straighten it, and plus I don't feel like it. I typically wash my hair Fridays after my last workout for the week, or on Saturday mornings. I prefer to do it on Fridays because that's just not something I feel like doing on Saturdays. I just rather just get up and get my day started. So as you can see, this is on its last leg. It's like it totally needs to be done. I just don't feel like straightening it today. This is after workouts and shoveling snow, and the snow dripping on my hair and getting it wet when I was shoveling. So I'm going to just wear it curly. Okay, so for my shampoo, I'm going to use the Press Rewind. So for my deep conditioner, I'm going to use the Pattern Treatment Mask. This one I only use once a month, or like once every 6 weeks, something like that. It's pretty strong, and I just don't need to use it every time I wash my hair. But I do find that it brings life back to my curls. I like the way it smells. I just don't need to use it every time I wash. Also too with the because I wash my hair every week, and I've been straightening it every week since Thanksgiving. And honestly, when I wash my hair every week, I don't do deep conditioner every week. So I just feel like it's necessary. So I just rinsed out the pattern, and now I'm gonna add in this Way Thick Hair Deep Conditioner. I love this. It smells like roses, and I'm a big rose girl, so it's another reason why I love this. It's nice and thick, and that Pattern Beauty, the directions on there say to follow up with a moisturizing deep conditioner. And this is the one that I have. Like I said, I'm using everything I have in my stash before I purchase anything else, but this Way deep conditioner I really love. And I still haven't tried Sacred. I want to, but I just have so many products that I don't want to buy anything just yet. But I have been going through them, and I've been really sticking with that. So I've been going through them, and like the Dew thermal system, I'm a good bit of ways through that. So probably once I finish that, then I'll try something else. I just don't want to always keep like buying products, especially if I don't necessarily need them. So especially when I was heavily doing wash and goes. I was always buying products and different gels, and just really annoying. And then once I moved on from gels, and I was like experimenting with mousses, and I find that I like mousses more, so now I have to like go through those gels. Or look at it, I think I only have 1 or 2 gels left. The ones that aren't open, I'll donate them.
You don't feel like wasted time. You don't talk like it's a lie. I might be falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's true. You don't scare so easily. You don't come with dirty deeds. I think I'm falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's true. If you say what you want from me, if you say what you want from me, yeah, I give all that I can to please. I give all that I can to please. I like where it's going, where this is going, like what you're doing. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah, my heart's got a feeling. It's got a feeling like how it's beating. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always.
It out. Alright, so here's my hair with no product in it.
You don't feel like wasted time. You don't talk like it's a lie. I might be falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's true. You don't scare so easily.
Consistency's pretty light.
You don't come with dirty deeds. I think I'm falling for you. I hate to say it, but it's true. If you say what you want from me, if you say what you want from me, yeah, I give all that I can to please. I give all that I can to please.
For my gel, I'm just gonna use the pattern.
I like where it's going, where this is going, like what you're doing. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah.
Done this in a while, so I don't remember. I think I used to Eureka, but
Got a feeling like how it's feeling. So let me be honest. Yeah, I want you always. Yeah. what you're doing. So let me be honest.